Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Optimal Training Group. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the modern toolbar control. Now, I'm not really a fan of the modern controls because of its limitations that it has compared to the classic controls, but I kind of have a fondness for the toolbar control. And let me show you what I mean. Let's jump right into it. So let me navigate first. So the toolbar control, let me show you exactly what I am talking about. So toolbar. So here's the toolbar control. And within the toolbar control, you have these different actions that you can do, right? And you have the new button, edit, delete, and you can see it's disabled info. And then you can use icons that represent each one. Now, if you look at the items property of that control, it's formatted, you see how it has these records within the table. So you have this item key, item display name, icon name, appearance, all these different things. And they're not required. Only thing that's required is this item key. And this item key, I don't believe you can change it. I don't think you can change the name of any of these, although I haven't tried. So the item key basically should be unique. It represents what that control is, with that icon is within the control. Then you can give it an icon name. You have this display name of new, and it can be anything. So you have the appearance. So I think you have like primary, secondary. You have the icon style, and then you have the icon, the tooltip. So when you hover over it, the tooltip appears. So that's what this is, and you can use this in your application. So let me show you. I think another thing is, if you look at this here, see item disabled for the delete, and that's why this delete is disabled. You know, so you can make this dynamic. So for instance, if the person who logs in shouldn't be deleting, you can, check who that person is, check their permissions, and then disable it. And I'll probably show that in a different video. So I think I really like this control. You can do other things where you can run a patch, that triggers. So it's cool. I'm going to show in a different video. So let me show you how I'm using it in my travel request application, in my TRAS. So, so in my TRAS, I have these options. I have the delete, and then I have the approval. And sorry for the dogs in the background barking here. All right, sorry about that. I don't know if you heard my dogs barking. But anyway, so you have approval, and then you have delete. And if I delete, you see that it deletes, and it does this. And then if I approve, I can come in here, I can review what's in here if I'm one of these approvers, and then I can approve or reject. So let me go back. So let's go to that control, and let's go to the on select. Oh, we're on the on select. So in the on select, and I pasted this here beforehand so you can see. So it does a switch statement depending on which of those options you click in the toolbar. And it checks it by doing the self.selected the item key. Now, if you remember the item key, see right here, item key. So it does a switch. And if what was selected was approval, then run navigate, and then pass in this item record to the next page screen. And then if it's a delete, then do the remove this item from that list, and then notify. And that's why you have that green banner at the top that says item deleted, success. So that's how that all works. So let's do this. Let's play with it one more time. So I'm gonna come here, delete. There's that notify at the top. And then let's come here and let's say approval. And it takes me to this page, and I can go, if I'm a manager, senior manager, or VP, I'm going to approve. Now in the real application, if I am the senior manager, the other two boxes will be disabled. And then they will be able to approve or reject. And then what happens is the SharePoint list gets updated. But I'll show you all that in a different video. So anyway, I hope that made sense to you all. Thank you for coming in and watching. And if you're new, please like the video, subscribe, and also share. I share a lot of practical content. I try to respond, do the best I can to respond when you leave a comment. So anyway, yeah, share the video, like the video, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.